All right, what's up, you guys? Rainy day out here today. We are going to be doing a commercial can cleaning, as well as we're going to be cleaning an alleyway. So I'm about to walk you guys through. I'm going to have to roll some B-roll footage of Jacob trying to park the trailer downtown because it got a little bit hectic.
Hey guys, Billy Davidson here. We second day of training with our trainee. He's getting the real effect here. We are downtown in the pouring rain trying to get our trailer parallel in here just to drop it and roll. We got Chris being traffic control here. This is how it goes. So we're trying to get this tucked in all the way.
We are here. We are ready to clean. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this alleyway that we're going to be cleaning today. This is a commercial job, so let's go and take a look at it. All right, so this is the beginning of the alleyway here, and if we take a left, boom, this is what we're going to be cleaning. As you can see, we already got a little standing water here, so the drainage doesn't look great, so we're going to have to push all this out. We're going to be cleaning up all this alleyway. We'll probably clean up some of the side wall as well. As you can see, it's just, they got trash, mildew, growth, everything. And then what we're probably going to be doing is spraying out some of these cans. So I got to get to that gate, open it, move all these cans out. And so that way we can bring a surface cleaner through here, pre-treat everything, and yeah, just get everything cleaned up. Went ahead and got the alleyway all cleared out. Cans all out here by the road, ready to be cleaned. All I got to do next is we just got to empty out some of the garbage in here. The boys are getting everything set up with the trailer. I was going to do this job by myself. However, we had a trainee coming for the weekend, so we wanted to give him an experience doing a little commercial cleaning. This is going to be a recurring customer for me as well. So we're going to get all this cleaned up, and yeah, let's get it going. All right, you guys, Commentary Justin checking in. I'm going to be walking you guys through everything that we did on the job, starting with the downstream rinse. So we downstream some pretty hot SH onto this alley just to kind of get everything working, get everything cooking on there before we actually came through with the surface cleaner and everything, kind of kill that organic matter. There's no telling how long this alleyway sat without anyone cleaning it. I'll be honest, whenever I went out to quote it, I thought there was probably all kind of rats and stuff running through there. So I'm glad that we were able to get the job and get it clean. So I actually landed this job through my Facebook ad strategy. It is a commercial job, as I told you guys before. I've been running an ad for can cleaning that's absolutely been crushing. It landed this job, but it's also been landing a few other jobs that aren't even related to can cleaning. I got a couple house washes, driveway cleaning, so definitely a bunch more content coming on the channel. These people called me out to do a quote probably about a month or two ago. The thing that I really dislike about commercial cleanings is it just takes so much time. They call you out, you do the quote. Sometimes they have multiple quotes typically. I don't think in this case they did. I think they just called me out, but I could be wrong. So sometimes they get multiple quotes. Whoever has to approve the quotes has to take the time to go through, approve them. They let you know, you schedule it in, you do the job as you see here. Then I had to get in contact with them, let them know that it was done. I like to send them some great before and after pictures so they know that we took our time, we did a really good job. And then after that, you have to send in some tax information, and then they either get you like on a net 30, net 60. So a lot of times with these commercial cleanings, it just takes so long to get paid. That's why you really need to be diversified. You don't want to be relying on just one source like commercial or residential for all your work. You want to kind of rely on both just in case if one slacks off, the other one picks up, or like in this case, if all I did was commercial work, I'm not going to be getting paid for like 30 to 60 days, depending on whatever the company's policies are. Now, sometimes they do pay you quicker. It just all depends who you're working for. So on this day, we were actually training someone as well. So I was going to do this job on myself, but we had a trainee come in town. He wanted to see what some commercial work was looking like. We showed him a ton of residential. Billy's got actually a video on his channel of, I believe he did 4 or 5 jobs with Billy. Came in for the weekend, came in from Texas, and you got to see a lot of different things. So I'm actually really happy that I had Billy on this one because pulling my washer down through here would have been a pain. You know, as you guys saw in the beginning, we were able to just pull up. They had some really long hose. We ran through here and we were able to get it clean. So I'm very happy that Billy and the boys were able to help me on this one. If you guys are interested possibly in getting some one-on-one training with myself and Mr. Billy, I'll have a link in the comment section and the description. Also, there's a few other resources down there. I have a free trial to a CRM. So if you guys need help with creating invoices, collecting payments, or keeping up with customers, you can check out that free CRM link that I have down below. I also have a link to an insurance company. So if you're just starting out your business or you're looking to shop a quote, check that out. I did team up with them. Maybe you'll get a better price than what you already have. So couple resources down below if you guys are interested in training. Like I said, check that out, and we'll be getting in contact with you to schedule that out. Pretty straightforward cleaning on this one. Like I said, we came through, pre-treated everything. We blew out all the trash. Then we did pick up all the weeds that were in there, just kind of clean it up a little bit more. We killed off all the organic matter on the side walls, washed all that down, and then surface cleaned everything and then rinsed all that down as well. Everything came out incredibly well. The before and after pictures were tremendous. And the property manager was extremely happy with us. So hopefully she'll be sending some more work my way. And yeah, I'm going to turn it back over to myself. All right, you guys, we just finished up everything over here as far as the alleyway goes. We washed up the cans, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a glimpse of what the alleyway looks. So if you guys remember what it was looking like before, it was completely dirty. Stuff on the ground, on the walls. There was plants all over here. It just looks 10 times better now. Walls are clean, everything. So we also cleaned the trash cans. We're about to put those in here, and we're gonna be done. I'm just gonna take a couple before and after pictures for the customer so I can send those over to her. All right, you guys, that's a done deal. Cans are clean. Walkway is clean, everything looks good. Jacob, what's the word of the day?
The word of the day is consistency. This alley now looks consistently clean from start to finish.
I love it. Chris, any final words?
Clean alley.
Clean alley, I love it. So if you made this far in the video, comment down below, consistency, and we'll hashtag you a real one. My name is Justin, this is Forever Self-Employed. Until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.